about to go ahead and join the natural hair community. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by OMGHerHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Listen, none of my hair is out on this wig. This is all wig. Let me show y'all. This is a wig. Ciao. When I say I laid this down, I'm about to go ahead and join the natural hair community. If you want to see how I got my hairline together, please keep on watching. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from OMGHerHair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. I'm pretty sure this is a new unit from them. It is their Jerry Curly Natural Edges wig. Y'all know I'm a fan of the natural edges, and the last one that I tried from OMGHerHair was perfection. After I styled it, okay? Before, she looked a little crazy, okay? But after you style her, she come together real nice. We'll see how the hair fluffs out or whatever, but my focus would not be on that today. It will be on how I lay my hairline to make it look as natural as possible. First, I need to, well, you need to wash your wig. I am really tempted to get up out this seat and go wash mine, but I really don't feel like it. So I'm gonna give it a little clank clank, a little bath, okay? I'm gonna use my dry shampoo, the rest that I have in here, and my water, and I may even use my hair freshener just to kind of alleviate the smell for the video. But you wash your wig. If you don't know how to wash your wig, I do have a wash wig playlist that shows you how I wash my wigs. Pat her in. Should I brush her out before I put it on my head? Let's see. Okay, she comes out. Ooh, she's gonna be tangly though. I may want to put a little bit more water on her. Let me just show y'all real quick as I'm brushing her out what the curl is turning into. It's getting real frizzy, which I don't mind it because once you put the product on it, it'll help it clump a little bit. It won't clump a lot, but it'll clump enough to give you some definition. I should have just went to the sink. I'm pretty sure mine is 150% density. She is fluffing up pretty nicely, so I do like that. Now I need to tint my lace before I put it on my head. I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder. This is in the color Milk Chocolate. You can use whatever makeup or lace tint product that you have. Some of this may come off when you use your mousse around your hairline if you do that, but that's okay. You can use your contour to finish up the tinting if need be. I am gonna use my hair freshener in Mango Splash. And then I'm gonna put this on my head. This does come with an elastic band already attached and bleach knots. It does come with a side part. OMGHerHair, now you know better. You know I am a right side girl. Why would you put that on the left side? Don't play with me. Let me go ahead and do that now. And we'll need to spray this down again. Because I'm brushing this dry, I am getting a lot more tangles. Okay, clip this up. For the ear tabs, how are we sitting? I'll cut some of that off. The ear tabs are pretty much perfect, but I may need to cut some of those off. We'll see once I lay it down without my glasses. Like this side looks a little longer. Let's just get up in here. Now before I pull out any hair on the hairline, I need to straighten out these edges. So I'm gonna take my bristle brush and my blow dryer on high heat, and I'm gonna blow through this hair really quick. You don't wanna sleek it out too much, but you don't want it to look like this. It's real peasy looking, and we don't like that. All right, so let's go ahead and fix that. Right now, my hairline is looking real blocky. Let me see where we sitting at. Right here looks a little thick. I'm just gonna pull out some of these hairs. Not too much, just a little bit. This is optional right here. You may not need to do this depending on how full you like your hairline to look. I'm just pulling out a little bit. Cut my lace in 3. I may need to reshape the way my hairline is looking, but before I do that, I'm gonna cut off the lace. So I'm just following the hairline that they have. I may need to spray my wig down because this is feeling a little short. I'm pretty sure they sent me the 22.5, but they do have a large cap. Okay, so for my hairline, as always, I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse to mold it and shape it. I don't have that much left, so I'm only using it for the hairline today. Won't be able to use it for my curls. That's all right, I got a backup. I may need to spray this down after the molding. All right, now I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna start shaping my hairline. So I wanna bring some hairs down, some back. I definitely wanna bring my temple area down. Same thing over here. I'm just gonna brush it down and then brush back what I don't want to have down. So I don't want all of it to be down. I just want some of it to look like little baby hairs, you know? Curl that over, because I may have a part right there, so I just want to leave that where it is. These are kind of forgiving, so you can kind of mold it and then remold it if you need to. That's one thing OMGHerHair does not have. They don't have bands. I would like to have a band, OMG. Just, you know, just once. Now let's get the rest of the hair styled up. Let me get a little drink. So I'm gonna work in 2 sections. Get my little part right here. Put some water on the hair. Because I'm running out of my Nairobi, I don't want to use that on my hair. So I'm going back to my Shea Moisture, coupled up with my curl glaze, okay? I forgot how good this smells. This product is very lightweight. I'm going to finger detangle the ends first before I use my brush. Let's go in with the brush, comb this through. Again, this process will be a lot easier if you do it off your head, you know, when you wash your wig. So learn from me, please, learn from me. I like the fluffiness of the curl. That's cute. Once you get the product all worked through, it is a lot easier to manage. I'm gonna take a 1/4 size amount of the curl glaze, maybe a little bit more, and I'm gonna work it through the hair, add a little bit more definition and shine, and kind of control the frizz. Even though this one is a frizz-free product, I've still had frizz with it because of how I fluff up my units. I did get some shedding with this unit. Surprisingly, not as much as I thought because of the texture of the wig. Go ahead and clip the hair up out my face, do my makeup, and then we'll come back, diffuse the hair, and see how our hairline is. Like how this is looking. It's giving wash and go. Get the hairline situated. I think mine shifted back a little bit, so I will need to spray this down. Let's move it forward. Get it over my ear tab. Get it down, get it down. Put my glasses on so I can see. I want this side to kind of go kind of down and then back to follow the natural shape of my hairline. I'm gonna use my melt spray to do this. Start here at the top. They did send me a brush. I'm gonna brush back what I don't need, brush down what I do. I feel like these hairs are a little bit shorter than I would like. We're gonna make them work. I don't want this ear tab. I thought I did, but I don't. So let me just cut this off. I can't see what I'm doing, so I'm just trying to feel around. Push that back. Let me get this ear tab part off. Don't want all this down in my face like this. Again, I wish these were a little bit longer, just a tad bit longer. Push that back. Use your brush, your comb, whatever you have to get your hairline right. Put a little bit right here. Wait a second, Nero. All right, let me see if that's how I want it. Let me tighten this down. Okay, Nero, hold on. Tie it down real tight. Hold it for about 5 minutes. Oh, lip gloss. Is that too much? Never. Peel it down towards your eyes so you don't get a crusty white line. Let's see how we looking. Not bad at all. I do need to take care of that ashiness around there, so I'm gonna do a little bit of my contour. Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color 𝐒𝐯𝐞 on the brush. Tap it on the card. Go around the hairline. I pretty much made me a hairline on this wig, y'all. Even though I considered this wig to be big head associate, I would still say it's a perfect fit for my head based on how I want it to fit around my hairline. This feels pretty comfortable around my head. Like I'm not feeling it pull back. Take off these clips. Now let's figure out what's going on right here. Like this spot right here is not, it's not fluffy. I don't know what I did right there, but oh well. The hair feels soft and moisturized, so that's always good. Definitely giving wash and go. Oh, I can see that lace peeking up right there. Hold up. I just need a little bit of spray. I feel like it's a little ashy. I don't know, is that for my makeup? I have my little Fill Me In Toppik pen. Okay, let me just use this. See if that'll help that over there. I don't know why it looks a little ashy. Fill that in a bit. And then I'm gonna take the little brush side, little sponge side, and just tap that all in. There we go. I was gonna figure it out sooner or later. And I think we are done with the look. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. I am very pleased with this install. This took a little bit of work, okay, especially around the hairline to get it exactly how I wanted it. But the more I played with this hairline, the more I loved it for me. I didn't want to do a super defined look with this one. I wanted it to be more, like I said, a wash and go type of look. And even if I tried to do a defined look, I don't feel like the curls would have defined the way that I wanted them to, just based on how this texture works. But you will get some definition with the curls, as you can see. It looks very natural. Do I think it's beginner friendly? No, not with that hairline. Because I've been able to practice with these, I kind of know how I want my hairline to look. I actually looked up YouTubes of girls who have naturally curly hair just like this, and I watched how they did their hairline. And this is what it kind of gives me. I just kind of mimic that for my wig. In the beginning, it was a little rough, okay, I was still learning, but as I've gotten more comfortable with it, I have really perfected, or I am perfecting, how I like my hairlines to look on these natural wigs. I do wish the hairs were a little bit longer. Y'all probably like, girl, they look perfect, but I wouldn't have to put as much effort into the hairline as far as, like, you know, the straightening, the pulling, the placement, if they were a little bit longer, because I would have a little bit more to work with, if that makes sense. But I'm not gonna complain about it, because like I said, I was able to still, you know, get it together for me. We looking cute though. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to OMGHerHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.